Hello, DJ Robot, and yeah, I would say DJ Robot again, but I'm not sure that would okay. Anyway, I forgot to mention the last video, previous video, was it? Probably. This will be the last part of a Ratchet and Clank, not the collection, the first Ratchet and Clank game. I know that I have some need to get 100%. Oh, watch this. Yeah, I fall. Yeah, I'm not smart as I thought. I'm not smart as I thought. Like I was hoping they have something behind, but no. This now I'm getting another gadgetron weapon, which is the one I buy. It's a I forgot what they call. It's a glove thing that you punch, which I kind of like about it. It's just that they didn't put on the reboot or all the Ratchet and Clank game because I kind of wish they need that weapon to upgrade. But how they gonna do, to make them level up and upgrade? What do they call?
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, I miss it. Yeah, I was watching the video and yeah, that. When I'm saying that I didn't do live, which is sometimes kind of bit of, I don't know how to say it, but I don't do live. I'm just making a video, making a video game, and making a video. Anyway, like I said, it's a glove. No, not bomb glove. It is a different type of glove. Even though different type of the bomb in the Ratchet and Clank series, but I don't know which is better. Because sometimes I like bomb glove, which is good enough for me. And the one with another glove is sort of like a fight skill, not fighting skill, not what they have come up. You just do one punch attack, which I like it though. Only it doesn't work on the flying attack. You just have to be careful using them because sometimes you might fall. So I was hoping I don't know if they'll make Ratchet and Clank next year, even I may not. But the glove needs to work out the level up, and wall, whatever they call it. The glove that you only punch once. It had the limited, like it have no arrow. You just have to punch, keep on punching, like that. Some sort of electrical thing. Oh yeah, I had to use the missile to take down that, whatever that airship support. Probably. And the tank, which is, yeah. I had to take down that other tank and, oh, I didn't know it was there. I kind of did saw something there. Anyway, hopefully that glove, new glove, the one I buy just now, it will level. Maybe whether they make the next Ratchet and Clank game, like it will level up and how it's gonna work, like how it's gonna upgrade. It does have not ammo, but it needs something that's different, special attack. You know how they did all the Ratchet and Clank, 1 to reboot. Yeah, because of they made all Ratchet and Clank games, they have a level up, but the Ratchet and Clank Off Your Arsenal or the Ratchet and Clank Future series or Saga, whatever they call. Excuse me. About because there's a many Ratchet and Clank game future, because I know it says Nixit, but they should make sure to put Ratchet and Clank Future next to it. Because even though they look like a future saga, and hopefully the next game will be the, like, if the next game come out, maybe they'll put that glove to summon it if it level up to the 5, like upgrade, maybe something different, and maybe put a Omega thing, but you know, the weapon, because after level 5 and after finish the game, it'll give him an Omega weapon or Omega level up thing. Right, so this is the last part, and I don't know if I want to continue, like, search for gold bolt, because the other video, they you know, you can, you know, to help you find a bolt, guys, gold bolt. Yeah, you know, because I don't know if I wanted to continue Ratchet Clank, because I don't know if I'll get 100%, but it's a little, well, I don't know. I do like the first one, but sometimes it's not much. It is the original, but I can't say something more.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah, so however, the next gameplay, I'm still continue playing for this zombie and maybe Overwatch, but I might gonna play some different game, because I know I still need to do Ratchet Clank 2, but there's something that I need to, I don't know, you seen the video, but perhaps now I might be doing a Play Season 4 game, because I still have some game that I need to finish. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know if I'll continue Ratchet Clank. I need to get 100%, but just in case, if I do, maybe no, but I'm pretty sure there are other videos that you can watch, because trust me, I don't want to continue playing the game, because yeah, you get 100%, and what do you get? You know, maybe something special, but I don't know which is the best or which one, but sometime maybe I will get 100% in Ratchet Clank 2 Going Commando and Up Your Arsenal, you know, the third. Except the Tool of Destruction, which is, it's hard to believe to say that, probably not, but honestly, I just don't know. Just that I really don't want to continue 100%, because this game, it's not bad. It's just that it's not bad. I like it though. Although I don't know if it's one of the top 10 Ratchet Clank. I don't know if it's the best, but who knows? Because I'm pretty sure the WatchMojo.com channel and some other channel people, YouTuber, that what they usually, I don't know, YouTube users, maybe, if they know which is the best. Now, I will say that the description below about 3 that I found some video, but some of you may know, but some of you may not, because I'll put the description below. Maybe some, not all. After interesting reacting to Kingdom Hearts 3, which is officially Frozen Trilogy. It is the trailer, but it's some people that they watch the trailer. You'll see. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna put it there, because I don't know if someone watching. If you're really 18 age, then I will, but I just don't want to put this because I know some YouTube channel people, they upload, but sometimes I they did not swear, you know, bad word thing, but yeah, it just that one about it not ready to watch the video because, like, for me now, I'm 24 years old. Yeah, I should not tell you how old I am, but trust me. But trust me, because people, I don't know, I really don't know what to say, but I really don't want to put a description below any of the video I watch, except the trailer in some video. But sometimes one of them might be said the bad word, or I don't know what the difference between swearing and bad word, but yeah, trust me, I better not put a description because I don't know. But even though one of them could be 18 age games trailer, but if you're the okay, if you're the fan of, sorry, description in the description below, I will put it, two of them. The last one, you know, I really wanted to say some Nintendo game, which I found interesting. You know, Mario and plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. I haven't got that game, even though I didn't get the Nintendo Switch. But the interesting trailer, the Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle, which is I think they did show gameplay, which I did see the trailer, and that is something interesting that I'm hoping to see Donkey Kong in the game. Which is what about Rabbit Kong? Well, unfortunately, it will be the boss battle, because I know one of you played Mario. Well, I should say spoilers, but yeah. I forgot. But just in case I'll say spoiler. Yeah, I would say spoiler. Many of you play Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. Spoiler. There was the first boss. Well, there's the second boss battle. Rabbit Kong. Interesting. And Rabbit Kong will be in a DLC, a new adventure called Donkey Kong Adventure. Yeah, because I would say, spoilers, you would play Rabbit Peach, Donkey Kong. Yeah, not the you know, Rabbit Kong, because it's a boss battle. But the interesting another rabbit, which is it's not the opposite, but interesting rabbit is they call Rabbit Cranky. Yeah, Cranky Kong, which is very interesting because we all know Cranky Kong are like old. Well, I wouldn't say that. He's senior. Sorry, I said old. He's senior, which is interesting enough. Too bad the original Cranky Kong wasn't there, but Rabbit Cranky, this would be interesting. Like, we all wanted to see how they're capable of it. Okay, that I found something, but oh, yep, there it is. And there's the gold bolts. So yeah, I'll leave the description below the trailer if you've seen it. Well, I guess there might be one more, but that's it. Even though I got nothing information, but no, I don't think I got nothing. But oh, there's some PlayStation trailer that I forgot. The Last of Us Part 2, but I'm not sure if you want to see the trailer because I think they did gameplay, sort of. Really, I can't tell. But if you interested in Last of Us Part 2, it rated, you have to be 18 age or older. Maybe I'll leave the description below, but I'm not sure, because if you did seen it, then I haven't played the first, but I'm not sure if I wanted to buy the first one, because I don't know, I just don't have the guts to play it. To play it. Anyway, yeah, this is the last part, and yeah, I will let it continue playing. Oh, the music, yeah, sometimes the music I kind of dislike. Oh, this part, you know, you can be, Giant Clank? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what you call a Giant Clank, or I don't know. I'm pretty sure, yeah, the music kind of it, I don't know, I probably, it's not creepy, no, seriously, it had to be creepy music, or, I don't know, because I'm a bit, so-so. Yep, here it comes, and I'm pretty sure there's a cutscene. Oh, I like that. And yeah, this will be final boss battle, which I'm not gonna put a title of final boss battle. Yeah, this is the final part, and that's all for today. Oh, did I say 3 in this fiction? Maybe not. Yeah, I shouldn't say 3, because I think the first one I said not, but yeah, probably I did say 3. Oh, there's a cutscene, but I don't want to talk about that.
Hey, what the?
Oh yeah.
After all the trouble you've gone through, you're about to die.
Oh
right?
yeah. Now that I think about that rope, that mech armor, it kind of looked like from Ratchet & Clank reboot, the PlayStation 4, but it kind of looked different, even though I don't know which is the better. But yeah, this is an interesting final boss battle, because, you know, you'll see.
You might have
Yeah, this is my final video. Well, my final part. Sorry, my final part of Ratchet & Clank. The first one, not the collection, which I'll be playing a different game. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. If you like it, leave a comment below. All right. Sorry, leave a like, and if you wanna leave a comment below. Sorry, I don't know how to say it at the end of the video. Anyway, I will let it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking like I said.
Oh, that's a nice one.
has come to this. Once I step on this ignition switch, a countdown will commence. The end of which signals the destruction of your pitiful world.
There must be another way to make a home for your people.
You think that's what this is about? Who do you think polluted our last world? I did. This is about one thing and one thing only. Cash, and lots of it. You see, I've been paid for every square inch of my new world. Once the inhabitants move in, I will begin polluting this world as well. Then the whole thing starts all over again. Ah, brilliant.
Why, you evil little...
Save it, Clank. We have to stop that timer.
Power slam that button to terminate the countdown. To power slam, jump and press the R1 button.
Okay, before this gets the final, yeah, I want to say that the final video that well, I don't know if it's funny or weird, because at the end of the, well, I was, you know what, I'm not gonna say spoiler, but, yeah, I would, okay. Dang it, it's so hard for me to not spoiler anything. But it's been a year, it's been 10 years, so I would say spoiler. Okay, spoiler alert, at the end of a credit, Fork making a show, like showing a new Gadatron, something called the Personal Hydranator. He's trying to clean himself, but after... But when Ratchet and Clank saw what Fork's doing, it not embarrassing, but I think disturbing or whatever. And then I can see why they don't want to watch out to see what Fork's doing. I can see why. It could be funny, but you never know. Anyway, this is interesting, like what Drag's doing, like. As you've seen it before, it is interesting for him as the villain because what he's doing, yeah, making a new home, but something more, more than that. That is interesting for me to Quark, Jam and Drag as a villain. But even though at the other end of the, at the end of the cutscene, when I talk about Quark, it will talk a big thing. The robot, I don't know what she is, but I think she's the one, give out information like go back in time or anything. But yeah, this is the last part. I don't know how you say it. But that's all for today. If you like, leave a like and leave a comment below if you have a comment. Yeah, if you have a comment. Alright, bye.
Hi there, Fuzzball. I got some great bargains for you today.
Ratchet?
What's up? You know, this time I am thinking what you're thinking. This can't be good. Phew, that was close. Clank, you can pull us up now.
The servos in my arm appear to be broken.
Broken? As in, fall to our deaths broken?
Yes.
That was close. Thanks.
My arm appears to be badly damaged.
Ah, you'll be all right. Hey, tin can! Where do you think you're going? We, still need to fix that arm.
Do you have a problem with unwanted hair? Is painful itching in your nether regions causing you undue embarrassment? Do you just plain stink? Then you need this, the Gadgetron Personal Hygienator. Hi, I'm Steve McQuark, and this little baby can take care of any grooming needs that are just too much trouble for you to handle yourself. Allow me to demonstrate. Yeah. Oh, mommy.
Turn it off! Turn it off!